We're here in Los Angeles at Ron Finley's garden. This is a compost right here. We're surrounded by these huge banana trees right here. Past these banana trees here, we have a nice bitter orange or lemon tree. I love these. Red amaranth, an ancient grain.
You can taste this. This is Okinawa.
Try one, Emily.
All you gotta do is stick it in the ground, or if you want to stick it in water.
Wow, Okinawa spinach from Ron Finley. Incredible. This will last us like literally a lifetime if we, take care of it. Little kind of hold this right here. Leave it. It's really good too. You see these orange things right here? Those are called sun cherry tomatoes, and they are really good. Pick that little top part off of that and eat that one.
You need to put these on. Like tomatoes? Yeah. It's good. I like it. I've never really liked tomatoes.